Miscreants on Sunday late evening vandalized property outside the Holy Spirit Church in Margao, Goa. Here's the CCTV footage of the incident wherein the miscreant can be seen damaging the church property outside. Police said that the incident happened on Sunday evening. The accused not only vandalized property outside but also damaged vehicles which were parked outside the church. The accused, when tried to escape after committing the offense, met with an accident nearby. He was then shifted to Sub-District Hospital for treatment by locals and then later was identified as the person involved in the sad incident. Police then checked the CCTV footage of the church and confirmed that he was the same person behind the offense. Police also informed that the person was under the influence of alcohol when he committed the offense. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.